We're here in Tahiti, Partner Co's first global incentive trip with leaders from around the world is just absolutely amazing.
The most incredible week-long, ultra-luxurious cruise through French Polynesia.
This is one of the most unique islands on planet Earth. The clearest water, the greenest vegetation, the nicest people.
This is the Partner Co lifestyle. We come on these exotic trips to imagine and experience places in the world that most people never see. That's why you want to be part of Partner Co.
Everything that we've experienced on this trip has been 5-star on the most epic incentive trip we've ever been on.
This is awesome, and I would love for you to be able to join me next year.
This represents anybody can do this. This industry has allowed my wife and I to travel the world, so this is so special to us.
I joined Partner Co back in March of 23, and the first goal that I had, I put it on a big vision board, was to come to Tahiti. And look, here we are.
Partner Co mi ha dato la possibilità di fare tantissime cose che non avevo mai fatto nella mia vita.
We bring together leaders from around the world to get to know each other, build lifelong relationships,
bonding with successful people, like it was a family.
With Partner Co, you can make your dreams become a reality.
那也希望呢，各位伙伴呢一起努力，我们明年可以跟着公司去看世界。
There is nothing better than being here with your friends. At Partner Co, we are better together.